like the donut.
We've come a long way from when this was considered marketing for donuts. For 3 years now, Anthony Randello Jahn, otherwise known as the Donut Daddy, has been racking up followers and upping the thirst with his sexually suggestive videos online.
This is an absolute showstopper, great for a party. I'm going to go ahead and put one of these in my mouth and feel the crunch and the cream.
Should I be like turned on or hungry?
Depends how you're feeling, really, but yeah, I mean, look, I'm making delicious desserts, sometimes some savory stuff, and yeah, we're using really nice cinematics, making it nice and sexy, making everything look really good. So, I mean, it evokes a lot of emotions in different people, so depends how you're feeling, you know?
It depends on how thirsty I am at the moment. So they call it kind of like thirst trap marketing. How so?
For me, it's just like, I just gravitated towards doing this kind of style, like straight away. And yeah, it's super simple. It's just like, I make a dessert and I just add different cinematics in, and just, it kind of, the way it comes out, it just pops out that way on the other end. And
would you consider it porn?
I think it's a food porn. Yes. You know, but, you know, we're kind of always on the edge of making it sensual without too sensual.
He's out soon with a new book called The Donut Daddy Cookbook, Sugar and Seduction in 69 Recipes.
It's an interesting, very interesting book. It's kind of like my Instagram page or my social media, like condensed into a book with the same style, the playful humor, the sexiness.
Watch this. Dough balls. Juicy bundles of joy.
There is more to the Donut Daddy than just a pretty face. I mean, he's also a well-trained pianist with a good head of hair. And yes, six-pack abs. You get the idea. He's a smart Australian entrepreneur with a pastry business. This online craze, just the cherry on top.
The way I work the dough, you know, because I know it so well, like you know, actually in my shop, you have to actually slap it because, you know, it starts to rise a bit from the yeast. So you got to give it a little bit of a slap. It actually helps decompress it a little bit for the rolling. So it's not all complete craziness, you know?
As for that often asked question,
are you married now?
Just to the dough, brother.
Just to the dough. Hello, Zaddy. Hello, Candice.
This was difficult research.
I tried doing this once on my social media, and it didn't take.
It didn't work?
What,
No.
like beating dough?
Beating dough shirtless, and nothing happened.
You know why? You needed your neon tights.
Probably. Yeah, right.
I'll tell you, listen, he started out where it was mundane a couple of years ago, and then he did one shirtless video, and the numbers just skyrocketed.
It's amazing how social media works.
It is.
It's incredible.
Like, the thirst is real online. But the cookbook has some legitimate recipes that you can cook with your clothes on or off, if you'd like.
Have you tried any of these recipes? Have you tried making any of these?
Slapping dough? You slap your dough? How many times a day?
It depends if it's a donut or if it's a donut hole.
Would you, for the donut though?
He's never coming back on our show. Bye. You can catch Candid with Candice.
This was a trap.
Oh my God.
This was a trap.
You're shy from inappropriate innuendo? Thank you. Oh my God, Candice.
Come on.
So,
what happened to you?
I've never slapped dough.
No. But you should. You could have done it about 5 minutes ago.
You have the entire version, and we just gave a snippet of this. You have the entire version.
Listen, there was a lot that we couldn't show,
Right.
Because it was just But he said that Instagram has never banned him from doing.
Because it's cooking.
God bless.
It is cooking.
We're the perverts. He's just making
exactly.
food.
He can't blame where our minds go.
Right. Of
That's
course.
Right. You can catch Candid with Candice streaming exclusively on Pix 11 Plus Fridays at 12:30.
Yeah.